Today we will be showing you how to install a new iron pipe valve onto a threaded pipe supply line. If at any time you feel uncomfortable with the project, please consult a licensed plumber for assistance. Tools and supplies needed for the job are a pail and rag to catch excess water when removing the shutoff valve, wire brush, 2 adjustable wrenches for tightening connections, pipe wrench if you are connecting the stop inlet to iron pipe. A pipe wrench is used to grip the smooth section of pipe. If the pipe has a hex, use an adjustable wrench to hold the pipe. White thread seal tape with PTFE or pipe joint compound, new supply line, and a new shutoff valve. There are 2 general types of water valves used. A quarter turn valve, which requires a quarter turn of the handle when opening or closing the shutoff valve, and a multi-turn valve, which requires several turns of the handle when starting or stopping the flow of water. Today we are using a BrassCraft multi-turn pipe thread valve for the installation. The package should include a valve body, 1 compression ring, and 1 compression nut. Installation instructions for the valve are included on the inside of the package. As you can see, we have already removed the old valve and water supply line. Before removing the existing valve, shut off the main water supply. Next, if possible, open a faucet at the lowest point of the dwelling. This could be an outdoor garden spigot or basement laundry tub faucet. This will relieve excess water in the system and reduce the amount of water that will escape once the existing valve is removed. Once the old valve and supply line have been removed, you will need to clean the male threads by removing the old thread sealant using a wire brush. The threads itself should be free of any damage or buildup on the surface. Next, apply 1.5 to 2 turns of thread seal tape in a clockwise direction. Now thread on the valve hand tight. Once it is hand tight, place the pipe wrench on the straight portion of the inlet pipe and the other wrench on the valve body and tighten until you feel resistance. Next, attach the riser which connects the valve to the fixture. Follow the riser manufacturer's instructions for installation. Here we are using a flexible connector with a 3/8 inch compression type connection. In this case, the sealing components are built into the connector itself, so we can remove and discard the compression nut and ring supplied with the valve. Attach the nut onto the riser and tighten the nut according to manufacturer's instructions. Make sure that the valve is in the off position by turning the handle clockwise until you feel resistance. Turn the main water supply back on. Now open the valve. If connecting to a faucet, remove the faucet aerator and turn on the faucet. This will purge air from the lines and also flush through any contaminants. After running the water momentarily, check the valve and riser for leaks. If a leak is present, slightly tighten the appropriate joint. Remember to reattach the faucet aerator. The installation is now complete.